Is your Techfacture extender not performing as it should? Maybe you've forgotten your password. In this quick guide, we'll show you the simple steps to factory reset your Techfacture Range extender. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the reset button. In Techfacture Range extender, WPS and reset button are common. Find WPS or reset button beside Ethernet port. Step 2. Perform the reset. First, plug in Techfacture Range extender to power and turn on it. Now beside Ethernet port, press and hold the WPS and reset button for 10 seconds and release when extender LED light start blinking. The extender will now reboot itself. This may take a minute or two. Once it's complete, all settings, including your Wi-Fi names and passwords, will be erased and restored to factory defaults. Set up it again using LAN connection or using WPS button. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.